Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 5th, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, we just hit the all-time high as we expected. Today, S&P 500 fantastically moved to a new all-time high, 53.54. Right now, market is trading. And this is the bullish consolidation. Remember that. So we were talking about this pattern. This pattern worked out perfectly. And right now we are just carving out to new all-time high. I believe that the S&P 500 can hit 56 to 5800 by end of this summer, which is not gonna be kind of like ecstasy level. I should say this is gonna be very achievable and foreseeable by end of this summer. So summer rallies started, as I said before. This corrective move could be great buying opportunity, which market just proved itself in just 4 sessions. Just after like a 2 weeks, 3 weeks correction, in 4 sessions, market just hit new all-time high. When rally is coming, it's going to be very exponential, epic, and very, very volatile to the upside. So just make sure that be part of that, just because market is just moving very fast, and when you know, it's already late. Moving on to NASDAQ, which was kind of like a substantial move today. NASDAQ held new all-time high, 2% today to the upside. Fantastic move, 19,000. So what a day. So NASDAQ just hit 19,000. And again, as I said, so if you saw my previous videos, market just going all the way down here to this important, I should say, demand area, breakout demand area, which is coming exactly to this level. Let me just show you here. Here is a previous important topping phase going down. Here's the breakout level. So this is a nice demand area. Market just back tested. Nice rebound, hit the all-time high. So NASDAQ can go, I believe, all the way up. I don't have this here, but 20,000 to 22,000. That's going to be the level that they have for end of this summer. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to Dow, which was kind of like a laggard compared to the other two. So Dow Jones energy market and also healthcare market just did underperform today. So that's why Dow didn't do well. However, a bullish consolidation is forming very nicely. If you just see this pattern, the next level is going to be 39,000. The next level is going to be a triple top here, 40,000. So when Dow is lagging and NASDAQ is leading, this is a good sign, because technology always was leader actually since 2016. So when money is coming back to technology, we should take it. Also, Russell 2000, I should say, doing very well. So Russell is kind of like forming a nice bullish consolidation here. If you just see a weekly chart, so this is a pretty nice bullish consolidation. The next level is going to be 2200, actually, to 2400 is going to be the next level as well. So by end of this summer, 2200 to 2400, that's going to be the level for Russell. When Russell is forming nicely to the upside, when NASDAQ is forming to the upside, we should just give market benefit of doubt for a good rally. Moving on to gold, which kind of like a very, very volatile, shaking out lots of people. Look at that. So this is kind of like, I know everyone's saying this is kind of like a bearish consolidation. I believe that this is not. And this is kind of like one of those demand area that we are seeing lots of time in gold, and exponential rallies coming afterwards. So if it goes below this pivot, it can go down all the way to here, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for the next move to the upside. Or for those ones who want to just get early, I believe that this is going to be the level, because there is no guarantee if gold drops here to shake out everyone. If it does, that's going to be a perfect scenario. But I should say, I'm not convinced that gold is going to do that. Maybe I would wrong, but I should say gold is poising for another rally to the upside to new all-time high. 2500 is coming down the road. Moving on to silver, which was kind of like a positive today as well. After yesterday's sell-off, silver goes all the way down to important demand area here. So this is kind of like a demand area. This is a demand area, and silver is just getting a touch. That one today, nice reversal. If tomorrow goes above this previous top here, and then we can see silver is going to outperforming gold market as well. Moving on to crude, which was kind of like a positive today after yesterday's sell-off. Crude just to snap back to the upside. This is kind of like the bearish formation. I don't know if crude just form kind of like a bottoming here to going higher. I believe that if it goes lower, if it take out these lows, 61 to 65 is coming down the road. But right now, crude, actually energy stocks are in a good shape. So it can give me hope that crude is just form a bottom here. Cycle low for June as well. It was part of my cycles as well. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, just the optic today, nothing crazy, just going higher. I believe this bullish consolidation triggered. We are kind of like in a very, very bullish pattern here in Bitcoin. And this is kind of like the scenario that I'm just looking at. After breakout 72,000, there is no ceiling. 100,000 for Bitcoin is coming down the road. Ethereum, $55 up as well. This one is just forming a nice bullish consolidation. Yield is down, another 1% down. So if you just see that, yield is just broken this level as well. So I should say a lower low is coming with yield. And this one is coming down to 4.41 to 4.53. If it goes below this, then 3%, sub 4% is coming down the road. Treasury, just the optic today, ripping to the upside at $93. Nice momentum to the upside for Treasury. VIX is coming down. Market is up, VIX is down, which is going to be very, very typical scenario. Dixie just back tested this broken trend line. I should say Dixie is going to be a good opportunity for sell. 101 to 102 is coming down the road. Magma indicator, pretty nice move to the upside. Good surge. Apple, just $1.72 up. Amazon, just moving higher as well. I believe that the bearish correction momentum is finished. Meta, 3% to the upside. This bullish consolidation rip to the upside. I believe that Meta can go to new all-time high. Microsoft as well, nice surge today as well. So $7.94 up. Microsoft new all-time high is coming down the road. And also Google, $1.62 up. Great pattern today. All of them actually just ripping to the upside. Netflix, $18 up. Not a bad session at all. So this is a kind of like a good, kind of like a flip-flop to the upside. If it goes above this pivotal point, 690 to 700 is coming down the road. Tesla, 23 cents up today, not a bad session. So this is kind of like a bullish consolidation. I believe the same scenario like Treasury is coming to Tesla as well. If it goes above 190, 200, ideally Tesla 250 is coming down the road, and you can see that. Moving on to semiconductors, which were kind of like a leader for today. Semis is strong. There's nothing wrong with market SMH, hit new all-time high. Fantastic move. Stocks the same pattern here, $10.17 up. Taiwan Semiconductor, $10.45 up. Fantastic move. AMD, 3%, 3.86% bullish consolidation. Great move for AMD today. I believe that if it goes above 174, easily it can go 200 down the road. NVIDIA, $60 up, $12, I should say, 1,224. And then after hours, it goes higher, 1231. NVIDIA hit the record, ripping to the upside, new all-time high. Texas Instrument, good reversal today, confirmation, $2.78 up. Lamb Research was kind of like a rocket star after NVIDIA, 5%, 31% to the upside. Great move for Lamb Research. So semis are strong, so there is nothing wrong with the market. XLF, financials, ETF, they just hiccup today, but another bad session. Overall, they just underperformed. They need to digest their fantastic recent move, and it's kind of like a choppy consolidation before the next exponential rally. KBE, the same pattern, 40 cents up. KRE, 15 cents up. JP Morgan coming down today, laggard, $1.90 down. Goldman Sachs, $6.38 up. Bank of America, 28 cents up. Wells Fargo, 2 cents down today. Not a bad session. Gold miners, they did a kind of like, I should say, well. 61 cents up. GDXJ 82 cents up. AEM $1.08 up, and Newmont is going higher as well, 51 cents up. Not a bad session. I believe that they are bottomed for this corrective move. If it goes above this $44, I should say 50 to 51 is coming down the road. Franco-Nevada, after yesterday crash, it just bounced back up nicely. Franco-Nevada needs to go above 130. If it goes above 130, 134 to 136 is coming, then 150 is going to be a substantial, important level for Franco-Nevada. Gold Barrick, 21 cents up, not a bad session at all. XLE, which is Energy Spider, moving higher today, just 1 cent. XOP, which is Oil and Gas Exploration ETF, 49 cents up. OIH, and 94 cents up. They're all in good levels. If they want to show something, it's the time, I believe. Exxon going higher nicely. This is a very, very good pattern overall. And Chevron, just the laggard here, $1.15 down. Chevron doesn't follow the industry, which is not good for this stock. All right, I believe that still we should see some more bullish action down the road. So make sure just follow the trend. Right now, trend is up. Summer rally is coming, and we should see some kind of like a more bullish action is coming down the road. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.